sourdough bread is much more digestible and much deeper flavor. It's the way all bread was made before the invention of the microscope. But traditionally it was shared. It was actually called friendship bread. Little Stream Bakery is an organic sourdough bread focused bakery where we make whole grain breads from fresh ground flour that we grind here ourselves. We also do pastries, cookies, sauerkraut, things like that. We've been at this location for 23 years. Our customers are very loyal to our bread. It's the bread they keep going back to. People like that appeal of just everything from scratch. Flour, water, salt. And sure, you add a few other things, but that's really all good bread is. It's simple. Come to Little Stream Bakery. We've got the best, deepest flavored, wholesome bread you're going to find and great pastries. We look forward to seeing you. Come on in.